Vivo has just officially announced that its upcoming X200 Ultra model will have the remarkable ability to use a detachable telephoto lens, something that is going to surprise the entire industry. This innovative device is set to be unveiled later this month in China. Interestingly, it will be the very first device in this fresh wave of concepts that we have seen since the Mobile World Congress. If you happen to miss that video, I am leaving the link in the description for you. However, Xiaomi had previously demonstrated the concept for a detachable lens with the Xiaomi 15. Similarly, Realme showcased another device featuring this detachable lens concept. We discussed its advantages and disadvantages as well as our imaginations about it, but Vivo kept this a secret for their X200 Ultra. This detachable lens will necessitate a special case, which is included as part of the photography kit. This kit will be in the purest style of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, where a detachable handle is added, allowing you to hold the device comfortably in a more comfortable manner, as well as adding a button for photography with the middle touch setting specifically for focus, and an additional button to initiate video recording, along with extra battery similar to Xiaomi. However, in this scenario, the live photo kit would also come with a ring for the camera module, and it appears that through this ring there will be some sort of structure to allow fitting the telephoto lens in that section. This lens features a 200mm equivalent focal length with an f2.3 aperture designed to sit atop the device's existing periscope lens. Developed in collaboration with Zeiss, it offers premium optics. They reportedly utilized a 3-group configuration with 13 Kepler-style elements to ensure high light transmission, enabling an optical zoom up to 800mm, which is significant for cell phone photography. It would reach about 35x optical zoom, giving us extraordinary quality. I've mentioned in several videos that up to 30x is typically the max zoom used in daily life. So, in this case, it maintains optical quality and is a complete spectacle. With digital zoom, it goes up to 70x, still keeping a quality similar to current cell phones at 30x. This device is expected to feature a system consisting of 3 cameras. As of now, the final specifications haven't been fully disclosed. However, according to rumors, it is mentioned that it could include an ultra-wide camera equipped with a Sony Letia 818 sensor, boasting 50 megapixels and would be a 14mm camera. Additionally, there would be the main camera, also 50 megapixels, utilizing the Sony Letia 818 sensor. It is noteworthy that it aims to use 2 high-end sensors rather than just 1 high-end sensor, and a simpler one for the ultra-wide camera, because in this case, it seems that to provide you with the traditional 23mm perspective of a smartphone, cutouts will be utilized within the ultra-wide camera. This is because the main camera in this situation would not be 23 or 24mm as we are accustomed to, but rather, in the true Nubia style, it would feature a camera of 35mm. This means it would offer us a slightly closer perspective. Eventually, there would be the periscope camera featuring Samsung's HP9 sensor with 200 megapixels and an approximate focal length of 85mm. However, I must emphasize, these are just rumors. What's confirmed is that it will have a detachable lens, and the creator's photography kit seems incredible. Other brands have only presented it as a concept, but Vivo might be the one to make it a reality. Although, it's quite likely this device will be sold exclusively for China, meaning the rest of the world will be eager to try a device with these features. It boasts impressive internal camera hardware and a detachable lens for extra zoom without quality loss. Share your thoughts in the comments on this Vivo proposal, as it seems the brand will market it as a camera that can make calls, rather than just a phone with cameras.